and welcome to another unboxing video. These are from just got in June. We're pretty excited, new books are showing up. So let's take a look at our first package today. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Lots of packaging. Oh, I see a lot of kids books. Library Babies, always appropriate. We've got some CDs. Neil Young, Colorado, Crazy Horse. Talking books, CJ Box, The Long Race. And just a reminder, if you see anything you like, you can request on hold, but it might take us a few weeks to get to them, so please be patient. James Taylor, American Standard, lots of CDs. Miranda Lambert, Wild Card, some country music. You're Not Listening, What You're Missing and Why It Matters by Kate Murphy. Read by the author, always nice. My Good Life in France by Janine Marsh. That looks like a good one. And we got another Harlan Cobden, The Boy from the Woods. All right, let's see what this is before. Oh, J.R. Ward, The Sinner. A little spicy book for those who like it. The Seed of Compassion. Little Dalai Lama book. Dog versus Ultra Dog. That looks like a fun one. And I see a cookbook. Oh, Attainable Sustainable. The Lost Art of Self-Reliant Living. That looks like a good one. And we got a French book. The Mega Adventures de Maddox. That should be a fun one. More kids books. And this one's called Avalanche, and it's a story told in 2 languages, French and English. That looks like a fun one. And our last one, oh, the classic. We are updating our copy, The Paper Bag Princess, the 40th anniversary. So that's our first box, and we're gonna move on to our second box. Welcome to part 2 of our unboxing this week. And just a reminder that you can request any of these books. You call the library or email. Just give us a few weeks to get them all cataloged. It might take us a little while. If you haven't seen part 1, go back and look at part 1. And here we go, a nice big box. Packed full. Oh, we're starting off with a rom-com, The Honey Don't List by Christina Loren. She's popular. I should say they are popular at this library. It's 2 ladies who write. It's Not All Downhill From Here by Terry McMillan. Looks fun too. Matthew Quirk, The Hour of the Assassin. Another Clive Cussler, a large print. Linda Howard, large print. So there you go, we're getting some nice large print in. A Blissful Feast by Teresa Lust. It's a nice cover. Oh, another Daniel Steele book. I know we got one last week. Oh, a French book called Une Histoire de Magie by Chris Colfer. He's really good with his series. The Sisters Grimm by Mena van Praag. That sounds interesting. Like the cover. The Case for Climate Capitalism. Some heavy duty reading. Another French book, Zoélie. And we have To the River, Losing My Brother by Don Gilmore. Looks like he was a Governor General Award. That's nice. Heather Graham, The Final Deception. Oh, another French children's book, Entre la Lune. Another French kids book. Oh, they're all coming in at once. Clochette. Looks pretty fun on that one. Linda Howard and Linda Jones, After Sundown. Looks good. And Dog Diaries, the next installment. I think that is, oh no, oh yes, it's a James Patterson kids book. Les Minereaux for our French readers. Rebecca Solnit, Recollections of My Non-Existence. Should be a good one. Veronica Roth, Ooh, Chosen Ones, her latest one. That's exciting too. Lots of good books this week. Codename Helene by Ariel Lawhon. Sarah Bladell wrote The Third Sister. Lots of crime and mystery in this batch. The Last Tourist. We're getting down to the last few. The K-Team. Oh, David Rosenfeld, his dog murder mystery, I believe, series. Fern Michaels, Fearless. And our last one today is a James Patterson book called Revenge. That should be a fun one. So thanks for joining us today, and join us again next week when we have another unboxing video for you.